is a molded ram air intake. I do two styles of ram air intakes. I do the carbon fiber tube, and then I do this style, which is the molded style. Going with this one right here, it's really much more for looks, just because the hole in the back really isn't that big. Mostly so that it does fit out the back without having to do too many modifications to the light or to the car itself. But it does look crazy. With the right paint, it looks like it's OEM. That might be ridiculous to say, but I think it looks pretty close to OEM.